Hi, my name is Andrea Dubé-Collum and I am a veterinarian with McKee-Pownall Equine Services. We are putting together a small series of videos for folks who are looking into or interested in breeding mares for the first time. Basically by trying to determine when she comes in heat, or if she comes in heat at all. Some mares are very obvious about their heat cycles and some mares are not at all obvious about their heat cycles, and some mares lie about their heat cycles. So determining when or if she ovulates normally and what her cycle is and the length of her cycle is going to be the first step. You can do this with breeding soundness exam. Normally the first step is to come out, meet the mare, check them out physiologically, make sure that they're healthy candidates to be brood mares, and then have a look and see what we have inside, whether they're cycling, whether their uterus is normal, whether their vagina is normal. There are a bunch of components that make them either good or bad candidates to be brood mares. Ovarian structures are also assessed along with the uterus and the vagina. It's important to determine where in the cycle the mare is. Sometimes we find abnormal structures on the uterus that might preclude breeding for a while. Sometimes we find structures on an ovary that will preclude breeding potentially for life unless we deal with them surgically or otherwise. So assessing ovarian structures is a very important portion of the breeding soundness exam, and it also gives us a good amount of information in terms of where the mare is in her cycle and clues as to what might be going on. Other things that we look at and pay attention to, especially in the older sport horse mares, is whether or not they're cushionied, whether they have chronic infections, whether they have had bouts of laminitis, whether or not they've been on Depro, Provera, or Regimate for long periods, because all of these things can affect whether or not they will be easier or hard to catch. We encourage anybody who's looking into breeding or has a mare who's due to foal to contact their veterinarian and have a great working relationship with their veterinarian to be well prepared for the things coming soon.